Okay, so now let's look at one problem asking to find the area of the shaded regions. Okay, as you can see, it's from here. And then the information is provided and the graph is given, so it's y equals 9 minus x squared. It's the parabola opens downwards. And then y equals negative x plus 3, which is a straight line. And as you can see that it has three parts, from negative 3 to negative 2 is first part, negative 2 to 3 second, 3 to 4 is third part. Okay, and we can write the area for each region and then add them up. So let's write that. So it's negative 3 to negative 2, the upper function, so it's negative 3, negative x plus 3 minus 9 minus x squared dx. And then plus, that is from negative 2 to 3, then it's going to be 9 minus x squared minus negative x plus 3 dx. And then plus from 3 to 4, negative x plus 3 minus 9 minus x squared dx. Okay. So you can see the integrand for the first and third integral are the same. And the middle one is just a reverse, right? Because the upper and lower function, they interchange. Now if you simplify a little bit, so it's negative 3 to negative 2, this kind of becomes into x squared minus x minus 6 dx plus negative 2 to 3 and negative x squared plus x plus 6 dx, and then plus 3 to 4, there is x squared minus x minus 6 dx. Okay, and all we need to do is just to evaluate those three integrals. We'll practice some basic calculus. So it turns out this is going to be x cubed over 3 minus x squared over 2 minus 6x from negative 3 to negative 2, right? Plus negative x cubed over 3 plus x squared over 2 plus 6x from negative 2 to 3, and then plus which is x cubed over 3 minus x squared over 2 minus 6x from 3 to 4. Okay, and all we need to do is just to plug in, right? So it turns out we're gonna have it's negative 2 cubed over 3 minus negative 2 squared over 2 minus 6 times negative 2 minus let's see, negative 3 cubed over 3 minus negative 2 3 square over 2 minus 6 times negative 3. So that's the first integral, and then we can move on. Plus, that is negative 3 cubed over 3 plus 3 squared over 2 plus 6 times 3 minus plug negative 2, which is going to be negative 2 cubed over 3 plus that is negative 2 squared over 2 and plus 6 times negative 2. Okay, and then plus the third one, which is 4 cubed over 3 minus 4 squared over 2 minus 6 times 4 minus, put a 3 in, which is 3 cubed over 3 minus 3 squared over 2 minus 6 times 3. Okay, so there's nothing fancy, it's just a very simple calculus here. But sometimes with some calculations you might make some mistakes. Okay, so let's see. If we simplify it, this is going to be negative 8 over 3, right? And then this is going to be minus 2, right? Plus 12. Okay, and then minus C. This is going to be negative 9. This is going to be negative 9 over 2. It's going to be plus 18. Okay, and then plus, let's simplify this part. You're going to have negative 9. You're going to have 9 over 2. You're going to have plus 18 minus, you're going to have, you have a negative, you have a negative, it's going to be 8 over 3, okay, positive. This is going to be plus 2, this is going to be minus 12, okay. And then plus, so this is going to be 64 over 3, this is going to be 16 over 2 is 8, minus 24, and then minus, so this is 9 minus 9 over 2 minus 18. Okay. And we can simplify those brackets first with the integers. So this one is going to be negative 8 over 3 plus a 10, right? Okay. And minus, this is going to be minus 9 over 2 plus a 9. I just calculated the integers. And plus, so it's 9 over 2 plus 9. And then minus, this is 8 over 3 minus 10. Okay. Plus 64 over 3 minus 32 minus negative 9 over 2, this is minus 9. Okay. And then we try to remove all the brackets and distribute this negation. It's negative 8 over 3 plus a 10. Minus and minus become plus. Plus 9 over 2. Minus 9. Plus 9 over 2. Plus 9. Right. Minus 8 over 3. Plus a 10. Plus 64 over 3. Minus 32. Minus minus become plus. Plus 9 over 2. And then plus 9. Okay. Let's try to make sure everything is correct. Should be good. So let's see if there is anything we can do the cancellation. We have a minus 9 here. We have a plus 9, so we can do that. Sure. Let's see what we can do. I think that's all we can cancel. And then negative 8 over 3, negative 8 over 3, okay, plus 9 over 2, plus 9 over 2, plus another 9 over 2, so that's all the rationals, plus a 10, right, plus a 10, minus 32, plus 9. I forgot there is one more rational, which is 64 over 3, so it's plus 64 over 3. Okay. So now let's try to do that. So let's see. We have negative 8 plus 64. That's a 3. 9 plus 9 plus 9 over 2. Okay. So we have 10 plus 10 plus 9 is 29, minus 32 gives us minus 3. Okay. Let's see what we got. Here, this is going to be 48 over 3. Okay, plus this is going to be 27 over 2 minus 7. This is going to be 16, okay. 16 minus 3 plus 27 over 2. 13 plus 27 over 2. Let's try to make it to be a rational. So it's going to be, let's see, 13 times 6. Oh, no, that's what I'm doing. 13 times 2, right, over 2 plus 27 over 2. So it's going to be 26 plus 27 over 2. It turns out the final answer for this is going to be 53 over 2. Okay, so basically it's just a calculation problem. Okay, so don't forget the original problem is asking you to figure out the area of the shaded regions. We form for each integral and then starting to do the evaluations step by step. Okay, time consuming, not too much fun. Hope you like it. Thanks.